Hi friend, it is me Ram Lama, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to add periodical journal in Koha. I'll go through step by step. So first of all, you have to log into your account, okay? And what you have to do, you have to go to Koha administration, click Koha administration, and in the global system preferences, click easy analytical records, okay? And search. And here you can see I have said display. In your it must be don't display, so I want you to say display, okay? Display and save all. Once it is saved, go to your home. I'll show you what I have done in my library. Search catalog, okay? Bibliotheca Sacra is a journal, okay? Let me submit. Okay, I have to go to search the catalog, Bibliotheca Sacra, then submit. So here you can see I have one article already here, and Bibliotheca Sacra, it has got its own item. If I click here, I can see, okay, the barcode is 0000406. Okay, so this is my journal host one, and if I go back, and here you can see my article, the Evangelical Church. Okay, click here, and what you can see here is this is article name by Deber, and the material type is book, and you can see here the host where it is in Bibliotheca Sacra. So for this, okay, barcode, as I said, in Bibliotheca Sacra the barcode was 0000406, so it has been repeated. I will just delete it, this one, okay, delete selected item. And how did I do? I will teach you all. So what I will do, I will delete this one also, okay, if no items remain. Okay, so let me delete this item also. Now let me search again here Bibliotheca Sacra and submit this one. Let me delete this one, edit, okay, delete all item. Okay, cannot delete the item has link analytical. So what it says, it is not deleting because of the analytical one another item. So let me search here Bibliotheca Sacra. Let me delete the first, this one, okay, I have to delete this one. So go to action. Now here, let me click, okay, no, where did I click? So let me click here, then go to edit item and say delete record, delete, okay. Now again let me search, okay, Bibliotheca Sacra. It must be long for you. I just want to help you, so I'm going through step by step. So let me delete now. I can delete this one item, delete all item, okay. You can edit and delete record. Okay, now we are in the fresh mode. Now let me start now. So first of all, I have to add the periodical, the main periodical title. So inside the title, there will be subtitles like articles. So first of all, I have to add the periodical name, which is the periodical name. So for that, let me go to cataloging. Okay, new record. So I'll just click on default framework. I don't want to go to serial, so it is your wish wherever you want to. So let me go fill, okay, tab, okay. So let me put IS ISSN number. Okay, ISSN number, biblio. If you don't know ISSN number, so you can just search for that. So it is ISSN number. Okay, where is that ISSN number? Here, paste it and transcribing. Okay, I'll put mine. Then DDC number and the classification number is 050. Okay, so once we are done, no need personal name, just skip, and we have to add title here. So let me add the title. Title is Bibliotheca Sacra. Okay, once we are done, come here and let us say series statement. I will add this one also. Okay, it is up to you. If you don't want that one also, it is up to you, but I will add this one. Okay, say next. Okay, tab and go to which number is that? It is 400, 440, 400. Okay, so for me also it is not there. Let me not add. Okay, so it's not giving. Let me go direct here and 9 and Koha item. Click and say journal and periodical. Then save. Okay, so let us add item. So barcode will be 000040006. Okay, this is the barcode for this Bibliotheca Sacra, and add item. Now you can see I have added this one journal journal in my item. So you can see I have analytic. Okay, here click analytic. Okay, once I have done analytics, then you can see in the right side there is create analytics. So here I will add a article. So let me go to article. Okay, you have to get ready with your article. I'm making this one for tutorial to help you only. So I will add this article. Okay, the evangelical church, come on, evangelical church, copy. Okay, so let me create an analytics. Now it will come to new record, mark record. So let us say, okay, this one. Here I don't want to add ISSN number because I had already added in my in the first one. So it is 23, then 050, then come to personal name. So author name of the article, create new authority. Okay, so now let us go to personal name. Okay, so it is personal name. Let me copy. Then where is that? Here, personal name. Okay, Deber. So once I'm done, save it. Origin catalog agency. Okay, 0 is missing somewhere, so let me go where. Okay, here. Okay, so once we are done, say save. See, it is duplicate of there. Okay, no, save as new authority because I had it before this one, so it is saying okay. So here the author name is here, so go to 2 and say title. Okay, title is copy a title and remainder of the title. See, I have remainder here. Okay, then let me just click here. Okay, once we are done, go to 3. So it is up to you, page number, if you want to add how many pages are there. Okay, so I don't want to add now. See here, title, series title, I think it may allow me now. Where it is not allowing me. We don't need this one because we are in adding in analytics. So 5, okay, you can add some description here, but I don't care that one. Just click here and say journal, then save it. Okay, so 040 and 040 is we haven't added that one, so let us go. Where is that? 040, let us say just tab, so that will take us. Where it is? Okay, here. So now say save. Once we save, then say add item. Okay, so let us go now to Bibliotheca Sacra. Okay, okay, see, like search, you can see now this article that I had added. Click here, go to normal view. Okay, so you can see here the Evangelical Church Research Service. Okay, where it is holding is Bibliotheca Sacra. Okay, this is in Bibliotheca Sacra. Let me go to OPAC. Search Bibliotheca Sacra and go. Now you can see this is the main one that OPEC is showing. Okay, we have Bibliotheca Sacra, but inside that we have this article. Okay, so let me click here. So you can see here this article. Okay, and it is in Bibliotheca Sacra. Okay, so this is how you will add your article in the catalog. So let me so one more again. Okay, so let me type Bibliotheca Sacra, search. I'll add another article here in the Bibliotheca Sacra. Okay, let me click here and say go to analytics, create analytic. Okay, say tab, go to mandatory field in red asterisk, then say 1. Now personal name, let us go to personal name. Okay, okay, I'll add this one author. Okay, so create authority, create new authority. Okay, once we are done, then go to 1, personal name. Okay, Tanner, supposed to be front side, and save. Okay, now go to title, add title, copy, add title. Once we add title, then it is up to you again. As I said, go to 9 and say journal periodical, save. Okay, so item for Old Testament, it has already come. Now let us go to Koha. Let us look for Old Testament chronological, this title, search. Now you can see here Old Testament chronology item has come, and this is in the periodical called Bibliotheca Secula. Okay, it is journal and periodical, as you can see. Okay, this is how you'll add your journal periodical in Koha. So this is my I learned this this way. So there may be another ways also, so you can always try that one, but one of the option is this one. So if you like, please give thumbs up and share with your friends also. Thank you very much for watching.